is MBG, and today I'm with my friend again, the real lava boy.
Hey guys!
And today we're playing some more parkour maps called Begin the War. Dun dun dun. Come on, let's go. What? Oh, I have things that broke. So where are you, lava boy? Where are you? So yeah, guys, we're gonna play some more parkour maps in here. What's this? Parkour killer. I'm gonna go in here. So let's go. What's this? Oh, I'm gonna.
Do not get it.
Okay, I'm gonna give you some two bows and two 64 stacks of arrows and two stacks of snowballs.
I'm flying.
You're flying again, and I will have a sword, a two stacks of beef, cooked beef, I guess. So in here. Hello, what? Why are you? Okay. Okay. Lava boy just died in a high place. But why did you left? What is this? Legend Parkour Diamond Hunt. Just relog again. Diamond. I mean, the lava boy. Okay, where are you? Why you're in here? Why you're in your? Why you're in the roof? What's this? Start here. Okay, I'm gonna start in here.
Wait, just wait a minute.
Okay, snowball. Hello. Go into the door and look up. Not in there. In the door. In the door. Look up. You're gonna see a chest and get some things. Yeah. Get all you want. Because I have two stacks of snowballs and steaks. So I'm gonna start in here, and I'm gonna count 10 seconds, and when the 10 seconds is ready, don't cheat. Go back. Go back. Go back. Oh no, I will not get that. Get now. Okay. So I'm gonna count 1 to 10. If
64 arrows, you get it.
it's in your back. Yeah. So I'm gonna count 1 to 10. If I'm finished, then go parkouring. There's a snowball in there. In the slab. No! I'm gonna be first. I'm gonna be first. So let's go. Please get out of my way. You're gonna start in here. You're gonna slap. Put a, get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Okay. So go back down, please. Lava boy. Don't kiss me. In the door. Once I've just finished 10 seconds. Why you're always being deaf? Okay. I'm just gonna start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, okay, now you can chase me, the lava boy. Just find. Why did you left? Okay, I'm just gonna finish this. I'm gonna finish this. No, no. Oh no, I just carried your diamond sword. Okay, just in there and here. So let's go. No, no. There's some Wi-Fi. Oh no. Wait, just wait in the Wi-Fi. Wait. I'm gonna open my mobile data so that you can play the real lava boy.
You.
I'm parkouring and I'm failing. I'm always failing in here.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm now have the mobile data. Oh my god, why can I? Okay, I'm gonna go
Move
upstairs.
it. Move it. Move.
Go, I'm gonna go. Why am I falling?
I want to join.
Just join right now.
You have Wi-Fi.
What in here? Oh, 64 diamonds. But I'm gonna leave you a half. Just 35. What I have 29. 29. 31. 32. Okay, 32. What's in here? You done it. I didn't done it. We're just failed this parkour map, guys. And I did not much type this map. So anyways guys, thank you for watching my new video. And hope you like this. Bye Lava Boy. Hope you like this. Subscribe me at MBG and hope you like it. Again, please give a little fat thumbs up. Goodbye guys. Goodbye. Subscribe, please subscribe.